A charisma with a truly fascinating life. An ambition engine that knew no rest. Lawyer, politician, and statesman. The honest Abe earning universal respect with his own integrity and diligence. The 16th President of the United States. Abraham Lincoln. Born into poverty in Kentucky, Lincoln faced countless hardships and obstacles throughout his life. Being mostly self-educated, his determination and intellect led him to become a lawyer and eventually a successful politician. In 1861, Lincoln was elected as the 16th President of the United States, but his journey was far from easy. During his presidency, Lincoln faced the greatest challenge of his life, the American Civil War. He skillfully navigated the country through one of its darkest periods, tirelessly working to preserve the Union and abolish slavery. Lincoln's leadership during this time solidified his place in history as one of the greatest commanders-in-chief. He closely supervised the strategy and tactics in the war effort, including the selection of generals. On January 1, 1863, he issued the Emancipation Proclamation, changing the legal status of more than 3.5 million enslaved African Americans in the secessionist Confederate States from enslaved to forever free. As soon as slaves escaped the control of their enslavers, either by fleeing to Union lines or through the advance of federal troops, they were permanently free. The Emancipation Proclamation became a historic document because it redefined the Civil War for the North, by turning it from a struggle solely to preserve the Union, to a civil war in addition focusing on ending slavery and setting a decisive course for how the nation would be reshaped after that historic conflict. Ultimately, the Union victory brought the proclamation into effect in all of the former Confederacy. Lincoln's most famous speech, the Gettysburg Address of November 19, 1863, is still remembered today for its powerful words and by being one of the best-known speeches in American history. With just 271 words beginning with
"407 years ago,"
referring to the signing of the Declaration of Independence 87 years earlier, and in few minutes, he conveyed the importance of equality and freedom, shaping the nation's future. He described the United States as a nation
conceived in liberty and dedicated to the proposition that all men are created equal.
Despite facing constant criticism, Lincoln remained steadfast in his beliefs, refusing to compromise on the principles he held dear. On the night of April 14, 1865, just 5 days after the Confederate surrender at Appomattox, Lincoln's life tragically came to an end when he was assassinated at Ford's Theater in Washington, D.C. His death shook the nation, and his legacy as a visionary leader and champion of human rights continues to inspire us. From his humble beginnings to his incredible accomplishments, Lincoln's story is one of determination and triumph. To this day, Lincoln is revered as one of America's greatest presidents, a symbol of unity and perseverance. His words still resonate today, reminding us of the importance of freedom, equality, and unity. His story serves as a reminder that, even in the face of adversity, one person can make a profound impact